Hey team, Devin Taylor here. I currently reside in the San Francisco Bay Area region in Northern California. I was recently employed as a heavy equipment operator in the retail services industry, specifically the scrap industry. I decided to join the program because I was in a transition phase in life and I wasn't happy where I was. I knew I needed to make a move, and that led me to executive protection and private security. After meeting Byron and learning about the training day package, coming from a civilian background, I had to invest in myself, and this was a perfect opportunity, so I took it. My favorite part of the program is Byron's teaching style. He teaches from a point of empathy, and that really allows you to connect with the information being presented. Being somebody that likes to seek new information and knowledge, it's hard to retain or stay interested in it, and if it comes off as disingenuous. But never once did the program feel like that, so I really enjoyed it. It was smooth with a V. Another favorite thing of mine was learning all the lingo, because you do listen to the podcast, you do, go to some of the events and hear people's stories, and you might not know everything they're talking about because you don't know all the lingo. Just like any other industry, it has its own lingo. Which is why I like to thank Byron and the team, because you guys presented us with a wealth of information that would have took us personally a long time to gain. And that afforded us to hopefully break out into the industry and not make some of the mistakes that could probably set us back or even, end our careers. And I'd like to say congratulations to everybody who's graduated. And if you're going through the process, just enjoy it. It's a fun process. And I hope to see you guys in the future. Hopefully at a Protect Your Symposium too. The first one was really good. Thanks team.